Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, whatever it is where you are. Welcome back to the channel. As you saw from the first picture, this thing is complete. And now I've got just a poor empty workbench. Maybe. Yeah, I delivered this to Jordan last night in a case, and he was most appreciative. So let's see, what could I do next? Maybe that. An MRAP all-terrain vehicle for my Marine buddy, Jeremy. So this is from Panda Models. It's 1/35 scale. It's got a ton of parts, and it's got a bunch of photo etch. I'll take the lid off for you here so you can see what's going on. I'm not going to do a full unboxing. It takes too long. Hang on. Okay, let's see how steady I can hold the camera. All right, the lid off. First thing on top here, painting guide. He was in Iraq, I believe, so he'll be in one of these. But it's modified. He says his didn't have the rear view mirrors on the front, which were going to be fun to build. And his didn't have a top on it. So nothing, there's no, or maybe it had the gun. I can't remember what he said, but instruction booklet. Got 24 pages, including the back cover, so you know it's got some detail going on. Little decals, and look at all that photo etch. Man, there is a shitload. I forget how many sheets in there. I took them out once. I think there's 8 sheets of photo etch in there. So quite a bit. We got rubber wheels. Nice. Those will weather up good. And tons of sprues. Too many sprues. Too many parts. Sorry, I'm not taking anything out of the plastic. I'll just give you a quick look. And there's some clear parts for the windows. More clear parts. This thing's going to take forever. And it's going to use up most of my patience. Because look how tiny some of those little parts are. And I got a trick, though, for handling those. It's called a wax pencil. You get these on Amazon. It comes with a sharpener. They're made for picking up rhinestones and stuff. But you sharpen it up with one of these little guys. It comes with it. They were cheap. And then you can pick those little parts up on the tip of your pencil, and they'll stick to it just long enough to get it to your glue point where you're going to put it on the model. Really helped out on the Vulcan I just finished. So I'm hoping it's going to help me out on this one. This is really the last really difficult model I have for right now. I've got basically 2 cars to build, a Batmobile and a NASCAR. Dale Earnhardt NASCAR to build. Another one from my neighbor. So as you can see, the sprues go on and on and on and on and on and on and on. And there's something else down in there. Oh, that's a ad for more stuff, I guess. More models. Panda from China. Chinese model from China. They put out some good kits, though. Gotta give them that. No flash. Very little flash. I know this is not going back in the same order, but it's going back in. So anyway, that's what's going to be eating up my time for foreseeable future. This is probably a 6-month build. I guarantee it's at least a 6-month build. But builds are going quicker now. If you didn't know, I quit smoking cigarettes on January 19th after over 50 years of smoking. So that's got me back in the model room a little bit more since I'm not outside puffing, you know what I mean? So that's what's going on here. Thought I'd give you a quick update. Thanks for watching. Be sure and like and subscribe. Or don't like and leave a nasty comment. I don't care. Engagement's engagement. You guys take care. Keep those models coming. Bye.